This is the dashboard here. I was headed into downtown Jacksonville for an event the other day. It was rainy, so I was already driving more carefully. As I passed under the interstate, I see a van or SUV getting off the interstate. The van either didn't see or wasn't paying attention or just couldn't see the Cadillac that was in the lane that it wanted to be in. The van failed to yield and nearly sideswiped the Cadillac. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
More than likely next.
Yep.
Because this time of day, it's bad out there. 295. We know that. We had to come to classics.
That Toyota almost hit that Cadillac.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.